Okay, this last one is going to be to just simplify expressions. Okay, so let me write a bunch of problems on the board. Okay, all right, now A times A times A plus B times B times B. Okay, let's say 2x squared plus 3x squared plus x plus 5x plus 2x squared plus 3. Okay? And then we'll say 4 times 3 times a times 2a squared times 5a times 3a plus, no, I don't want to say that. I want to say plus, and I want to say plus here. I want to say plus here. I want to say 3a squared. Okay, let's just work on those three. Okay? Yes? Okay, so, do you remember what we said about terms? What is a term? A term is something in a mathematical expression that is separated by plus or minus. Correct? Where a factor is multiplied. So these are terms. See how it's separated by a plus sign? Okay? These are terms. Term. These are factors. These are factors. Do you see how this is a term? Do you see that? Yes or no, guys? Come on. Loretta, we're working here, right? This is a factor, term, right? Yeah. This is a term. This is a factor. You know what? Let's put this as a term. Plus a. Okay? This is a term. This is a term. This is a term. Sorry, my apologies. This is a term. This is a term. Factor. Correct? You see that? Yes or no? You with me? Okay? So let's get rid of that red. That looks a little nonsensical. Okay? But you understand the difference between a factor and a term. A term is something that's separated by multiplication. A factor is something separated by multiplication. A term is separated by, I just said it, addition, subtraction. Okay? Now, what is a like term? What defines a term as being unique? What defines a term, Rinda, as being unique? Go ahead, you can do it. Same what? Same letter? Same exponents. Correct? Now, what I do, this is just the way I do it. Even I do it today when I'm evaluating an expression. This is what I do. First of all, I want to do what with this? This I want to simplify, right? This one is a little different. This is going to be what? What's this side going to be here? 3a? 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 I don't know why people are getting out so early, but it's weird. A cubed. A cubed plus b cubed. Correct? A cubed plus b cubed. Can I add those? Same exponent, but different letter. Are they like terms? No. Now for this here, I'm going to say that's going to get 2 lines. 2 lines. Are these like terms? Can I add them?
No.
No. They're different because they have a different exponent. They have to have the same letter and exponent. Are these 2 terms alike?
Yes.
Yes. How about this one?
No.
Is that one like that one?
Yes.
Okay. How about this term here? I give a number, I put a little 0 under it. And the reason is this. Isn't this really 6x to the 0? Isn't it? Isn't that really 6x to the 0? What does 6x to the 0 mean? What is anything to the 0? 1 billion to the 0 equals what? 1. So that's equals 3 times 1, which is 3. That's why I give it a 0. Clear?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So now, what am I going to say that is? I can erase this up here, correct? We did this one, right? Okay. What can I say? This is going to be, and you put it in terms of descending exponent. This is going to be 2x squared, 2x plus 3x plus 2x is what? 7x squared, correct? Yes or no? Yes? No? Yes? No?
Yes.
No? Yes? What? And then, so that's that term, that term, that term. What else? What else?
6x.
Plus, very good. Plus 6x plus 3. Easy? All right. It's actually not bad, is it? Lorena, you all right with that? Okay, good. Let's do this one here quickly. Okay? That gets a 0. Is that the same term?
No.
All right, so I'm going to give that like a triangle. Is that term? I'll give that 2 triangles. How about this one? That's just a triangle. Triangle. 2 triangles, right? So, I'm sorry, this is... That's not an X, that's a time sign. That's why that's weird. Okay, it's a time sign. My apologies, that was a time sign. Okay? Time sign, that's not a variable, that's a time sign, right? You'll get that a lot on the test. Clear?
Yes.
So we can say that that's 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So what's the answer? How many of the squared terms are there?
5.
5a squared plus what? There's an a, there's an a, 5a, and 3a. What do we got? 9a, right? Right? And what's left over? That's that. Here we have 4 times 3 plus 12.
That's the answer.
Okay? Now, what you have to do is this. You have to do your homework. Okay? You have to do your homework. Now, because I haven't put the answers on the web yet, take your textbooks. Doesn't matter which textbook it is. Just take a textbook and then bring it back on. No, you know what? I'll put that up. I'll put them up. Don't worry about it. Not to worry. Okay? Understood? Have a good night.